Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the power of bonuses when you are running an affiliate promotion. I've heard it over and over again that it is absolutely crucial to have bonuses, and I've experienced it myself so many times when I am running an affiliate promotion and I provide bonuses, or I offer people bonuses if they go ahead and purchase through my link or through my email, that they will receive bonuses from me. And I wanted to talk to you guys about the importance of it. The purpose of having bonuses or a bonus that you want to provide to the people who purchase that specific affiliate product that you're promoting is to make sure it converts. So a lot of times even myself, when I see that something is something that got my interest, that I'm interested in, like a specific course or product, and if they offer a specific bonus with that course, I would definitely want to buy from someone who is also offering me bonuses, not just promoting that product. A lot of times when people see affiliate promotions, or someone promoting different tools or products or courses, and they see that there is actually bonuses that they will get, sometimes they don't want the actual product itself as much as they want the bonuses, and it obviously converts that sale for whoever is promoting that product, because although maybe they don't want that specific product as much as they want the bonus, they still go ahead and purchase it. So it's definitely important to have bonuses with your affiliate promotions when you are running affiliate promotions. I forgot to mention to you guys that this video is actually a part of my affiliate marketing 101 video series. So if you haven't watched the videos that I provided to you guys prior to this video, go ahead and check out those videos down below. You'll get you'll see the links to all these other videos that I've provided to you guys prior to this one about how to do affiliate marketing, how to choose a product, how to create a funnel for it, to make sure you are building that list, and how to create an email sequence that will convert a lot more sales for you than if you were just driving traffic to an affiliate link. So I want to make sure you have access or training on exactly what you need to do when you are running an affiliate promotion. So and as I said, this specific video is about bonuses. I just wanted to make sure that how crucial it is to have bonuses and to provide bonuses when you are running affiliate promotions. Here's an example of my bonus page right here that you can see that I've created for my Kartra promotion, and what I offer them, I basically recorded a quick video about Kartra and what they will be getting access to if they purchase Kartra through my link or through my emails, basically through me. So I go ahead and explain, and share here that, first of all, so they would email me the receipt once they purchase Kartra through my link, and when the trial period is over, they will have an opportunity to get these bonuses from me. So first one was my personal coaching, and this one is actually for just the first 15 buyers that I had. It's not for everyone, because my time is valuable and I can't set up coaching calls for hundreds of people. So the bonus number 2 is the access to one of my courses or membership sites, that they'll be able to access this specific membership site when they purchase Kartra through my link. The third one is my other bonus, my digital product creation course. This product is about how to create a course and how to set it up within Kartra and how to set up a funnel for it, and how to basically start selling your own digital product, your own course. So this is a great bonus for those people who are purchasing Kartra, because they will have access to a training on how to do this specific thing in Kartra or within Kartra. So these are just some of my bonuses that I'm offering for those who are purchasing Kartra through my link. For those of you guys who are wondering what is Kartra, what it's about, it's basically a platform that I use to run my business on. So it's for list building, email marketing, funnel creation, campaign creation, video hosting. Like, you can do so many different things within Kartra, and that's basically all I use, except like the merchant, like PayPal and Stripe, to run my business on. So if you want to learn more about what is Kartra, again, go ahead and check out the link below this video. If you do decide to purchase Kartra through my link, you will have an opportunity to get these bonuses from me. As soon as the trial period is over, you can email me, and you'll be able to access these bonuses. So that's basically it for the Kartra page, bonus page that I have here. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what kind of page you can create and share with your list, or whenever you're running some type of promotion that will help you convert more sales. So another one that I had here is for another product. So that's just it's very similar. It's just a product that I'm also promoting like once or twice a year whenever they are releasing like a new version of it. So it also converts great, and I also have this bonus page for this product where I offer a couple bonuses for them if they do decide to purchase this product. So basically, they're not only getting this product from me if they're getting it, or if they decide to get it, but they're also getting more things, like my YouTube Marketing Mastery course and another master class that I have here for them. So it is definitely converting a lot more sales for me when I am running the promotion and also sharing this bonus page with everyone who I'm promoting to. So they know they will be getting a lot more things or a lot more value than just the product itself. Although the product is incredible by itself, but it's also, it's always great to offer something extra so people would know that, not only they're going to get access to the product, but they're also going to get extra trainings and things like that. If you don't have your own trainings or like courses that you want to offer, don't worry about it. You can also offer anything, basically PDFs, and it doesn't have to be yours specifically, because you are offering it for free. So it's not like you're taking someone's information and selling it. You're just offering it for free. You can even put together like a page with like a few videos from YouTube that you find valuable, that would be congruent with whatever you are selling, the product that you're selling, and put those videos on the page, like something like that, and just offer this bonus for them. Just say like, I have this that I have put together. You'll also get access to this page where you'll find a lot more value about how to do something, or it depends what you're selling. So it's not complicated to put together bonuses if you don't have your own bonuses. It's actually fairly simple. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it means to have bonuses when you are running affiliate promotions. And usually when I put together emails and things like that to run the promotion, I include a text like I'm also offering, my bonuses here. You can click here to check out my bonus page, so you'll be able to see, exactly what you'll be getting access to. And when they click on that text that I have, hyperlink text, they go to this page, and when they look at my bonuses and things, when they want to purchase, they simply can click on the button and purchase that product. And this is also connected to my affiliate link. That will give you an idea of what it is to have bonuses. And again, bonuses are powerful. They will help you convert a lot more sales if you do have bonuses. I've personally had an incredible experience by doing this same exact thing, creating a page like that and offering my bonuses when I was running, or when I am running the affiliate promotions. It converts great. So that's it for this video. Again, if you haven't seen my other videos about affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the links below and the trainings below this video. And I hope you guys are getting value from these videos, and I'm looking forward to putting out a lot more content and sharing with you guys the things that I am doing in my business to just absolutely crush it online. Also, I wanted to mention, if you are looking to create a six-figure income online in this new coming year, go ahead and check out the link below as well. You'll be able to go to this page right here. Once you opt in, you'll get access to a few videos that will share with you on how you can create an income online in this new coming year, especially during pandemic. I know a lot of people and a lot of families are struggling out there, and I have decided to share with you guys that people like you, average people like you, are making money online. It's just that some of us are fortunate to come across the opportunities that actually help people make money. And I personally know a lot of people who were struggling online are now making, $500 a week, $1,000 a week. And again, I don't want to guarantee anything. This is not a guarantee that you're gonna make money online, but I do want to help you guys create that sustainable income online. And if you do decide to check out this opportunity that I have for you guys here, I will have an opportunity to help you out and to help you build your online business. If you go ahead and click the link below this video and fill in the information here, check out this page right here, and when you click here, you'll be able to connect with me on Facebook, and just go ahead and message me that you are ready to do this. You're ready to make this happen. So that's it for this video. Go ahead and check out the links that I've shared with you guys below this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.